Hello friends, today we are going to discuss one of the good stock which is fundamentally also strong and technically also strong. Before you are investing, you also analyze yourself and invest in the stocks. So this is what we are going to discuss today. Sarla Performance Fibers Limited, which you can go their website sarlafibers.com. So you will get to know the all details. Let us come about Sarla Performance Fibers Incorporation in 1993 is engaged in the business of manufacturing specialized high tenancy yarns. The yarn manufactured by it's used in the manufacturing of innerwears, narrow fabrics, and varsity sportswears, etc. So their market cap you can see here 412 crores. Current price 49.4. High and low we can see 16.2 and 54.3. Dividend 0.0. Book value you can see 41.3. Current value 49.4 and book value 41.3. It is lower than current price, which is good. Face value 1 rupees. ROE 7.91%, that is good. ROC 8.86, which is not that good. Stock P 11.6, which is cheap, so we can buy it. So next we can see here 1 year price we can see whatever it is yesterday traded 49.35 paisa. P ratio we can see here 11.6. Sales margin it is grow 86.18. GPM 61.8. OPM 54.47. OPM 25.47. NPM 13.89. So we can see here pros. Company has reduced debt. Stock is trading at 1.2 times in the book value. Company is expected give good quarter. So we can see the cons. So the company is reporting repeated profit. It is not paying out dividends, so they are not giving dividend. The company has delivered a poor sales growth, minus 2.95 or the 95% over the past 5 years. Company has a low return on equity 8.80 for last 3 years. Company might be capitalizing the interest cost. Dividend payout has been low at 12.07% of profits over last 3 years. Data days have increased from 109.63 to 131.86. So peer comparison, we can peer compare with SVP Global, Sangam India. So quarterly result amount in crores we can see consolidated figures in standalone. Sales at June March 2021 91 crore, June 86 crore. Net profit in 2020 June March 2021 10 crores, and June 2021 it is 12 crore. Earning per share 1.17 and 1.43 in last quarters March 21 and June 21. Profit and loss we can see the net profit 26 crore, total trading period TTM 36 crores. Earning price per share 3.14 and 4.28, which is earning price per share. Dividend payout they didn't give last two quarters March 2020 and March 2021, last 2 years. So compounded sales growth TTM 23%, compounded profit growth 93%. Stock price CAGR last 1 year 162%, return on equity in last year 8%. So balance sheet we can see 585 crores assets and liabilities. They have cash flow in March 2020 it is 7 crore, March 2021 it is a 4 crores. So shareholding pattern we can see June 2021 55.11 promoters, 0.02 FIIs, foreign institutional investors. DII there is no DII, domestic institutional investor. Public 44.87. So public and promoters were more. So let us come to the technically stock is trading 49.35 per paisa. It is Monday, it will go high because the moving average we can see it is a going upward trend and there are all green candles only, so it will go high. So RSI it is at 73.56. MACD also you can see here it is going upward directions. So we can see here on profit margin at 2017 8%, profit margin at 2018 7.82%, profit margin at 2019 9.43%, profit margin at 2020 10.18%. We can see here the performance. You can see last 1 year 161.80%, last 1 year. Year to date 105.20%, last 6 month 84.14%, and last 3 months 16.94%, last 1 month 15.03%, and last 1 week 3.24%. The performance is very good, so we can invest. Let's see the technical. We can see here technically it will show as a strong buy. So as a technically it is a good and fundamentally also good, so we can invest, and it is not a very high price, it is a very small price, so can invest only. It is trading for 49 rupees 35 paisa. So this is it guys. If you have any doubt or queries, you can keep your message in the comment box, and thanks for the watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.